Ants are everywhere. They live all over the world. These tiny creatures are amazing architects. Ants build homes called colonies. Some colonies are underground and some are above ground. Ants are very important. They help plants grow. Ants move seeds around. This helps new plants start to grow. Ants also clean up. They eat dead insects. This keeps our world tidy. Next time you see an ant, stop and watch. You might be surprised by what you see. Ants start as tiny eggs. The queen ant lays many eggs. The eggs hatch into larvae. Larvae look like little worms. Ant larvae eat a lot. Worker ants feed them. When a larva is big enough, it becomes a pupa. The pupa rests inside a cocoon. Finally, an adult ant comes out. It can be a worker, a soldier, or a new queen. The new ant is ready to work for the colony. Ants are team players. They live and work together. Each ant has a job. The queen ant lays all the eggs. Worker ants are very busy. They gather food. Workers clean and take care of the colony. Soldier ants protect the colony. Ants talk to each other using smells. They leave scent trails. These trails lead other ants to food. Ants are always working together to help the colony survive. Ants might be small, but they are strong. Sometimes ants fight other insects. They also fight other ant colonies. Ants use their strong jaws to bite. Some ants have stingers. They use their stingers to defend the colony. Ants are brave and protect their home. Ants are amazing creatures. They are small but mighty. They work together to build colonies and protect their homes. Next time you see an ant, remember all the amazing things these tiny creatures can do.